Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little short video of our Christmas wishes to you all. And I'm just here to say that we appreciate you and have been very happy with the way our channel has slowly but steadily grown. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers, which to me is as big a deal as if we had 100,000. Because, well, for one thing, it's taken since 2018 to get to 1,000. And that's because we're not the usual drama-driven or high-quality YouTube channel. I'm not making these because I have to live off the income. So that's a lot less stress on me. But I still want to make them enjoyable, entertaining, and informative for all my viewers that do find us and do stay with us. So next year we'll have some videos coming out. One video will introduce our brand new logo and our brand new membership card, and there'll be instructions in that video for all my viewers to follow if they wish to receive a free set of a logo sticker and a membership card, and those will be sent out to you in a 4" by 4" envelope. And I'll say they're good quality. Okay, now I was raised in a generation where you don't produce crap just to make a few bucks. So that being said, that explains everything to the people that know better. So Ember was up here with me just recently, but she's just so squiggly. We just got back from the vet. She had her last set of puppy shots, and she had her final, got her rabies shot. So she is protected for pretty much everything we could run into in our travels. We're not going to be going out to the coast again or down to Oregon as I had planned, because our last trip out to the Washington coast, our first trip, kind of made me snap out of this fantasy of what it was like when I had my 2 older dogs who were well trained and much older. A brand new pup, 4 months old, is a handful. And I don't think some of this stuff's going to sink into that thick skull of hers until she's 6 months. Some breeds have long puppy stages, up to a couple of years. And it takes patience, that's for sure. So I just want to thank all of you for being with us this year, for finding us, for subscribing and following our journeys. As the subscriber number goes up, I hope the comments and feedback go up to reflect the number of so-called subscribers that YouTube claims I have. So I try to answer these comments as quick as I can, and I think the more activity I get on my comments and my videos, the faster I'll start replying to them, because I don't want to lose the people that are interested or have shown interest in our channel. So anyway, my planning table here, looking at the different Pacific Northwest states into Canada, which we'll go into one day. And I am excited about this future with Ember, the next 14 years. And let's see. Ember's the 3rd dog of this breed, a variety of Irish Setter I've had, and they just live past 14. It seems to be their age limit, and I take excellent care of my dogs, you know. So I figure it'll be a race to see who outlives who, because if she makes it to 14, I'll be 86. But then again, my grandma lived until her early 90s, so I'm crossing my fingers, hoping I've got my grandmother's genetics in me, and I'll last that long and be in reasonably good mental health too. So with that, Ember, if she was here, would wish, along with me, all of you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and we look forward to you guys following our continued adventures into the next several years. So, like we always say here, Ember and I wish you happy trails and woof woof. Catch you next year.